A real href starting with hash genuinely scrolls to an element on the same page, matched by its actual ID. In this video you'll build real working same-page navigation. This real href genuinely, when clicked, scrolls the page to whichever actual element has ID is equal to section 2. This real ID genuinely is what the link above actually targets. The ID and the hash href fragment genuinely must match exactly. This real, common pattern genuinely provides a back-to-top link targeting an actual element near the start of the page. Href is equal to hash ID genuinely scrolls to the element with the real matching ID. The ID and href fragment genuinely must match exactly, real case sensitive. This is a real, native browser feature needing zero JavaScript. Build a real table of contents linking to 3 sections on one page. Ready to understand the real base element?